This is Miss Mariana, and I have recorded this short video with some tips that will help to make our first classroom experience the best. Please, before we start class, have all of your materials ready, and if it's possible, start trying to tune your instruments before we start the lesson. Remember, I sent you a video on how to tune your instrument as well with a paper to follow step by step. Now, second thing is, if you could please sit as close as you can to your router, to your internet router, that would be great, because that's where the connection is the best, and we will have fewer issues with connecting on Zoom and hearing each other and seeing each other well. Okay, if you could do that, that would be great. If not, we'll do our best. Then once we're on Zoom, we're going to click up here and we're going to click on Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, you're going to click on Audio, and there you want to make sure that the box that says Automatically Adjust Microphone Volume is clicked off so that it looks blank. Then you're going to move down and you're going to click on Advanced. Once you're there, you're going to disable Persistent Background Noise, disable Intermittent Background Noise, and Echo Cancellation is going to stay on Auto. Then up here, in the box that says Showing Meeting Option to Enable Original Sound for Microphone, you're going to make sure that that's checked, so it's going to look blue. Okay, I hope you've been able to follow along so far. So once we have started our meeting, up here you want to make sure that you turn on original sound, because that's what's going to give us the best sound experience. I'll be able to hear you the best. So if it shows up here and it says turn off original sound, it means that you have clicked it, and that's the way it should look. Of course, you want to make sure that you're not muted at the bottom right here, and that you turn on your video so that I can see you. So you want to check your sound and your video settings to make sure that everything looks good. And I hope to see you soon. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'm excited about our class.